Hi there. Here we are photoing a very nice VW California Beach. Very high spec actually this one is. It is the one that's got the 7 seats, which are, you can remove the middle 2 seats. The bench seat at the end makes the bed. It's got the comfort mattress. As you can see, it's got the bike rack, the VW4 bike rack with it, and the awning. It's got detachable tow bar, front and rear parking sensors, multi-function steering wheel. It's got the Apple Play, sat nav, all that sort of jargon with it as well. I drove the car back from Scotland. I went up on the train and drove it back. Drove absolutely faultless. Our guys have gone through the whole car to make sure everything's as it should be. They've replaced all the Cambelt kit, water pump, which we do on most of them anyway, to be fair. That's the table and chairs that stow away. Chairs that stow away in the tailgate. Table in that sliding door. That's the old Cambelt kit you can just see down there. You've got the 240 volt hookup. I've only half pulled the blinds down with some of the lights. It's really windy today, so you can see, normally you should probably put these down, probably a bit too windy for this, but hey ho. Isofix seats. These two rotate. This is your bed, if that comes forward, but you'd have to remove these 2 seats first. Your various different plugs, points, charge points up there as well. It's your multifunction steering wheel, and it's also DSG automatic, which is quite a nice thing. Now these here, you have your drawers under here and here, and then under here you also have drawers. They lift up. That's got your charge cable in there, the 240 volt hookup cable there. Those are your magnetic genuine VW curtains for the front cabin. Inside here you've got electric mirrors, obviously electric windows. It's 110,000 miles, and like I say, it drives really well, and we have gone through it with a fine tooth comb. You've even got heated seats on these, and these will rotate as well. You have got the rotate thing, so you can turn these seats around the other way, which I haven't done. So all upstairs is good. Let's try and get up there and try and show you that if I can. So remember, it's extremely windy at the moment, so it's not the best time to do this. You've got the black mattress, which is unusual. Normally they're like a grey colour. The wind just shut the door on me. All nice and clean. Been a well cared for vehicle, all said and done. It's a pleasure to drive. There we go, menu. That's all your app connect and everything there. Your heated seats are there. You've got your USBs you can put on. Multifunction steering wheel. Whoa, I really need to put this down. We've changed like the bottom hinge, because sometimes these can get a bit, now it shuts nice and easy, they get a bit sticky if they don't get replaced. Bodywork's all really nice on the vehicle. Like I say, the parking sensors, detachable tow bar, spare wheel. Tow bar will be inside. Again, if you look at the bodywork's all really good. You wouldn't think it's done this mileage, and being a 65 plate, it is the T6, which is ULEZ compliant. Got the awning handle there, which is actually on, I left it on there for the time being. If you look, there's no horrible rips or skags on the roof where they can get caught in the scissor action. If you look, it's all nice and clean and proper. It's good. So you've got the diamond cut wheels, although they could do with a refurb. Talk to me about that if you decide you want those particular wheels refurbed. Failing that, you might have your own set of wheels, which a lot of customers do, so I'll wait to see what you say. It's the T6, that's your front and rear sensors, you can see there. The fog lights. So thank you for looking. I shall wrap it away now because the wind's getting quite violent. You're welcome to any trial, inspection, test, anything. There we go, something about the wind. Normally if you had this on grass, you'd have those put down, stapled down, pegged down I should say. So thank you for looking. 7-seater beach, T6, DSG automatic, done 110, so it has done some miles but very good history, and we've done everything like Cambelt and water pump and everything else with all VW parts. So thank you for looking.